Welcome to your Disney and Universal News Flash for the week. It's Inside 300, and I'm your host, Brian Perry. A huge day for Disney fanatics worldwide as more animatronics have been revealed for the upcoming Tiana's Bayou adventure. In the 13-minute video released by Disney, we got a few looks at different audio animatronics that we will get to see while riding the Splash Mountain replacement. Here's a look at Juju, the snake from Princess and the Frog, as he eyes a plate of Tiana's delicious beignets. He's not to be outdone, though, by his beloved 197-year-old blind mama, Mama Odie. Look at her. Oh my gosh. That is phenomenal, as the realism of these animatronics has just gotten out of control. And while the animatronics look great, it's their motion that has perhaps taken the biggest step forward. Take a look at this clip of Louis the alligator. He is fully electronic, and yes, his belly bounces with every single laugh and chuckle. That is unreal. Charlotte LaBeouf, aka Lottie, is also showcased. She looks great, so does the one and only Princess Tiana. But how about this? It's Prince Naveen's little brother Ralphie on the drums. I would die for that animatronic. That's how cute it is. Unfortunately, no Naveen yet, so we'll have to wait a little longer to see the greatest prince of all time in animatronic form. The video comes just days after Disney released the first official poster for the ride, and as expected, there's no sign of Dr. Facilier, which is a bit of a bummer, as it looks like the ride will not incorporate one of the greatest villains in history. Tiana's Bayou Adventure is already running tests with Imagineers riding the flume inside the park. The attraction will open to the public in just a few months. D23 is sold out, which is a bummer for people like me who procrastinated and didn't buy tickets. As part of D23, we'll have the Legends ceremony in the Honda Center, the 18,000-seat arena home to the Anaheim Ducks. The Legends ceremony will certainly be a highlight this year, as it includes famous names like Harrison Ford, Miley Cyrus, John Williams, Angela Bassett, and perhaps the most famous Imagineer of all time, Joe Rohde. In Universal Orlando news, we recently got a detailed look at another of the 5 themed lands coming to Epic Universe, the resort's upcoming third park. The family-friendly area is called How to Train Your Dragon Isle of Berk. It will feature Dragon Racers Rally, which is a high-flying adventure with a ride system new to Universal. There will also be Hiccup's Wing Gliders coaster, which traverses over the waters. And speaking of water, an interactive water ride called Fire Drill will have guests aim water cannons at over 130 moving targets while riding a boat. The area looks fantastic. And that will do it for this action-packed episode of Inside 300. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon. Hello, bell. This way, you're notified every time we come out with brand new content. And speaking of new content, if you are a Disney trivia fan, join me tomorrow on Friday, April 5th for episode 61 of Disney 100 Jeopardy to test that Disney knowledge of yours. Once again, I've been your host, Brian Perry. I'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.